How you doing? Cody here. So I'm more than halfway through the job, and I just wanted to show you how it looks. Look at that. Look at the difference. So this is pre-tree, pre-scrub. It's pretty standard for me to pre-scrub commercial properties when I clean them, just because so I get the results I need and I'm happy with. It's pretty much built into the price. I do not price it without it. It's very, very rare, just because I just want to give you the best results. That's not standard in my industry to do a pre-scrub before you clean on commercial property, commercial carpets. But look at the difference. So, looks great. And these ones are already done. Now, this is very heavily used carpet. They're not looking for brand new, and there's no way I could deliver brand new because the carpet is damaged. You know, they've been braided and damaged and well used. But I'm making it so it doesn't look like it's dirty. So I'm gonna get back to it. I'm just kind of listening. I like to listen to audiobooks. That's why I have this on. So anyways, talk to you later. Bye.